What's the punishment if you're caught drink driving, say for the first time?
Well, if you're convicted, you will be disqualified, and there's no choice there for a judge. Again, it's not the judge making up the law. The law is there, and they have to implement the law. Whether they think that it's fair or not, they have to put you off the road if you plead guilty or you're found guilty. So whether it's your first time or your second time, it's irrelevant. If you get convicted, the circumstances may be very sad, but if you're convicted, you will be put off the road.
And there is no discretion there if you're bringing your pregnant wife to the hospital and you've had a glass of wine, or there's zero discretion?
No, there's no discretion, no. There's not. You know, in the UK they have this thing called special reasons why you shouldn't be disqualified. But even then, they're very narrowly constrained. So a special reason might be my car is parked in a loading bay and I'm going to move it forward 6 feet, but only 6 feet, or 8 feet, or whatever the hell it is, whatever it takes to get it out of the loading bay. That's a special reason, maybe. You know, they would accept that. It's very narrowly constrained or confined. We don't really have it over here at all. So, unfortunately, people have no choice but to fight these things, because if they don't, they will be put off the road.
Did you ever work with clients that you don't like, or do you think about it like that?
I don't really think that. I don't think like that at all. It's a business, really. As it happens, I do. I'm lucky, and the kinds of people I represent for drink driving, like 90-odd% of them have never been in trouble, ever. They've never even had so much as a parking ticket or a speeding ticket. I keep hearing that one over and over again, because they're good people. So I do like them. The vast majority of them. Sometimes you meet some that you don't like, but that's life. But yeah, I don't really have that problem. And I guess really when you like them as human beings, it really does concentrate your mind to try and do whatever you have to do, you know, to keep them on the road. That's really my priority, to keep them on the road. And you know, you're not supposed to you're supposed to look at things objectively, you know, but I'm not a robot, so I can't be, you know, totally objective all the time. I do put myself in their shoes, and I do see it from their point of view. And if you do that, it does really focus your mind, you know, because you know what's going to happen if it goes wrong. So I don't like it when it goes wrong, and so that kind of spurs me on to make sure we do whatever we have to do to win. That's what it's all about, winning.
What's people's attitude like towards somebody who's in court for drink driving? Like, are people angry in the guard station that evening when they've been arrested? Are the guards kind of disgusted with them?
No. The guards are pretty rational and pragmatic. I mean, they don't like doing it. They don't get any kicks out of arresting people for drink driving. They really don't. But they have to do it. If they're called to an accident, or if they come upon a scene, they don't have a choice. Because if they don't arrest them, they're going to get disciplined, and it could be enough to get you sacked. Like the organization has moved on markedly even since when I was in there.